I'm Philip Dolbear, AHDB's Cereals and Oilseeds Knowledge Exchange Manager based in the Southwest. I'm here today to show you and talk you through how our Farmbench benchmarking tool works. The great thing about Farmbench is it's whole farm, all the variable costs and all the fixed costs allocated to your enterprises. So it gives you total costs of production per unit or per hectare for the enterprises you want to measure. The program leads you through a series of data entry pages to enter the variable and fixed costs. Then, of course, the all-important output reports. You can look at your crop or your enterprise and compare it with the top, middle and bottom 25% across the country or even in your region. You can select what you want to compare it with. You can also, on an arable operation, put in all the crops and get an overall multi-enterprise whole rotation report, which will give you the complete picture. Looking at your own figures are of course interesting, but the real interest comes when you join a benchmarking group and compare your figures with your local neighbours in a confidential, open and honest way. Everybody learns something from these meetings. Nobody gets it right in every department, so there's always something to look out for. If you get stuck at any point, there's various points of help. A telephone hotline, there are top tips videos, and of course your regional knowledge exchange managers who will be pleased to help. We do believe this is such an important thing to do for your business going forward. When you think about it, those with the lowest cost of production are the ones that are the last to stop making money as prices drop. When prices rise again, they're the first to start making money. We hope you'll join Farmbench and get the most out of the system and to improve your business. Thank you for watching.